Hello, my name is Beth Mace. I'm the Chief Economist at NIC. Each quarter, NIC-MAC clients have exclusive access to the latest data and findings of trends in the seniors housing sector. This includes supply, demand, occupancy, rent growth, key transactions, and pricing activity. Today, I will briefly discuss some key points and themes that came up during the third quarter of 2019 data release. In this abridged slide deck follows. This chart shows the distinct differences in occupancy performance between independent living and assisted living. As of the third quarter, there was a 480 basis point difference in occupancy rates. In the third quarter, assisted living occupancy moved off its record low rate of 85.1% for the past 3 quarters to 85.4%, as relatively robust demand outpaced new inventory growth. In fact, net absorption totaled more than 3,000 units in the third quarter. This was the most of any quarter except for the fourth quarter 2018. Meanwhile, a lesser 2,600 units were added to the stock of assisted living in the NIC-MAP 31 markets in the third quarter. The occupancy rate for independent living inched up 20 basis points to 90.2% in the third quarter, 10 basis points higher than year earlier levels, but below its rate earlier in 2019. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. Please contact our client services group if you should have further questions. Bye now.